In this video, I decided to challenge myself and practice flying in higher winds than I'm used to in a slightly choppy weather and land on a 40-foot runway in Lincoln Park. That would be my narrowest runway I ever landed on as a pilot in command. It was a challenge, all right. The winds were gusting up to 21 knots when I took off from Republic on my way to Lincoln Park. Given that my landing in Lincoln Park was not that great, I decided to do a touch and go on my return flight to Republic to gain more experience. The flight to Lincoln was a bit choppy, however, on my return, which is in another video, the turbulence picked up and it was the worst I've ever experienced. It actually scared me a little bit. The wind also picked up in the Republic with gusts up to 30 knots by the time I made it back, which definitely got my attention. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.
Wind 32017, gust 21.
Clear for takeoff on runway 32, 2280 Quebec. Airspeed is alive. Bridges check. Takeoff. Roll.
Republic Tower 1.701, visual for 32. Outside 01, Republic Tower, descent at discretion, runway 32, clear to land, wind 33013, gust 21. Descent at discretion, clear to land 3271.
Check. Go pop off, go pressure, check. You can see that this right there is Manhattan. Turbulence here. Oh, there's an airplane over there. And this is Rye, New York. Right over there. And Scarsdale is right there. Manchester Airport is there somewhere. Okay, go bump on. Change to left. Left tank. Go bump off. Fuel pressure check. Beautiful bridge. George Washington Bridge is over there. Let's check the weather. Okay. 9 minutes ago. Okay. Wow.
Flying airfield at
3. 310. So 310. Probably gonna use 1. Ah, damn it.
Flight to be traffic helicopter left downwind runway 1. Flight to be.
Lincoln Park, Cherokee, 10 miles east of airfield. We'll be doing a midfield at 2,500 and left, then cross 45 to left, 45 to left, downwind, runway 1, Lincoln Park traffic.
Oakland County traffic, Centurion 48, Mike inbound on the RNAV GPS 33. Flying to be traffic helicopter left base runway 1, flying to be. Inbound landing. Anybody on the frequency today? Okay, that was copy cross keys. You guys landing 27 today.
It'd be challenging. I realized I was so close to the other guy. Should have planned better. I didn't realize that I was at this airport. Lincoln Park was so close to Essex class Delta, so really needed to be careful and do a short final. Lincoln Park traffic, Cherokee, 5 miles east of field. Lincoln Park traffic. It's really close. Holy crap.
Element County traffic, Centurion 40, my 3 mile final, runway 3340.
Oh, this is really choppy. At 500. Lincoln Park, Cherokee, 1 mile east of airfield. We'll be doing a low 1,000 foot midfield cross, left 45, left downwind, runway 1. Lincoln Park traffic. It's supposed to be behind me and I don't see it. Not a good sign. Or is it? Or is it? It's be right here somewhere. Oh, there. There it is. Okay, I see it. Okay. On mixture rich. Ready, hit off. Lights on. 1200. Lights. Camera. Action. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have. Lincoln Park, Cherokee, left downwind, runway 1, Lincoln Park traffic. That's range. Okay. Lincoln Park traffic, Cherokee, left base, runway 1. Given the high winds and the turbulence, I decided to use 25 degrees of flaps only and not go for the 40 degree.
Singapore traffic, Cherokee, short final, runway 1. Singapore traffic.
The runway sure looked narrow and pretty short, but it wasn't really short, but definitely narrow. I came in a little bit too fast, so I floated a bit, but the landing was okay actually for the high winds.
Sounds tough. Loaded a little bit, but hey. Singapore traffic, Cherokee clear of runway 1, Lincoln Park traffic.